Hi friends, it's Katie. I've got some style tips for you today, and this style tip is a way that you can upstyle a jumper that perhaps you're not wearing or you're bored of, or better still, you could support your local charity shop by finding a vintage jumper in there and then upstyling it by simply finding an embroidery patch or a diamante embroidery patch that you could just place onto the jumper. And a lot of these are iron on or sew on, and you can choose where you put it, the style of it. All you do is go onto etsy.com, ETSY.com, which is a brilliant website full of creatives and crafting stuff. It's amazing, and just search for embroidery patch or diamante patch and then have fun choosing which jumper you're going to sew it onto or iron it onto, which is even easier. Now this jumper, I have to confess, I did not upstyle. I got from the Couples. However, it did inspire me to think, gosh, what an amazing way to upstyle jumpers in my wardrobe that I haven't worn in ages. So I hope that tip inspires. I've got it on with my jeans and a pair of little kitten heels, which I found in H&M. I hope this inspires, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.